Did you know that over 90% of online experiences begin with a search engine? It's true. And if you want your website to be part of that statistic, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of getting your website on Google, step by step. So, here's the deal. Many website owners face the challenge of getting their sites indexed by Google. And let's be real, if Google doesn't know you exist, how will your audience find you? That's where we come in. We're going to walk through the essential steps to ensure your website gets the visibility it deserves. From setting up your website correctly to crafting top-notch content, we got you covered. And don't forget to submit your site to Google Search Console for that all-important indexing. But here's the climax, the moment of truth. When you hit that submit button on Google Search Console, you're opening the door to tracking your website's performance and indexing status. It's like peeking behind the curtain to see how well you're doing in the online world. In summary, getting your website indexed on Google is all about the right setup, killer content, and making the most of tools like Search Console. It's a recipe for success in the digital realm. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, why not explore more SEO tips and tricks in my other videos? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let's make sure your website shines bright in the vast online universe.